I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by turning on the features that let voice work reliably. Enable the microphone and connect to the internet, then open Assistant settings. Once done, tap Hey Google or OK Google detection and follow the voice training prompts so the system recognizes your speech. Make sure to allow necessary permissions for microphone, contacts, and location because the assistant uses them to personalize answers. This setup reduces false triggers and improves accuracy when you speak commands. You now practice speaking clear commands after OK Google. For example, call a contact, send a text, or start navigation. Once you master basics, expand to follow-ups, ask a weather question, then say, "How about tomorrow?" And the assistant retains context. Also create routines that bundle tasks like turning off lights and setting an alarm. Make sure to explore shortcuts in settings so longer phrases map to multi-step actions, improving speed and consistency. You finish by customizing assistant voice and languages to match your preference and enable personal results for calendars or reminders. If things go wrong, retrain the voice model and check microphone permissions first, because misconfigured access is the most common issue. Once done, clear the app cache or update the Google app and restart your device to resolve lingering glitches. If detection still fails, test the microphone with a recorder and verify network connectivity. Fixing those usually restores proper operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.